Welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I have Celebrate States. If you've been around here, you've seen me unbox Celebrate States in several different hauls. And every time you guys go wild for it. It's gotten such a good response. Of those of you who have subscribed, y'all have told me it's an amazing box. So I figured it was time we do a dedicated unboxing. Just play with the Celebrate States box. Those of you who are new and have not heard about Celebrate States, it's literally celebrating states in a box. Done really, really well. This is like my 4th or 5th one. It is a monthly box, and what I'm about to open is actually a spoiler box. So if you're a current subscriber, I'm about to show you everything that's coming in your current box. But I'm also pleased to say this is also a giveaway box. So if you want to enter to win a Celebrate States box, you must subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and then comment below what you love about Celebrate States. If you're a current subscriber, tell us why you love them, what you have enjoyed, the highlights of the box. If you are not a current subscriber, watch the video and tell us what part you love about it, and that will enter you to win your very own box. Little disclaimer, you must be over the age of 18 to enter to win, and you must be a citizen, no. you must be located in the United States so I can ship you your box. Celebrate States is a monthly subscription at $45 a month. The box ships fast. So once you order, you get your box shipped out within 3 to 4 days. They fill the box with local foods, home decor, and more from that state. So everything in this box is going to be from people in that state about that state. I love that because they're supporting that local state's artisans. And I'm super excited because I got a 50% off coupon. Like that it doesn't happen. So when I get them, it's always exciting. If you use code PINK50, actually, I think I'm gonna pop it up over there. Use code PINK50 for 50% off the first box in a 3 or 6 month subscription. So if you sign up for 3 months, your first box is 50% off and the rest are full price. That's an amazing deal, you guys. You get 6 to 7 full-size products, fun interactive information, and once you join the Celebrate States box, you're a part of the Celebrate States family, and they have a 100% satisfaction guarantee. They want you to love your box. So if you get your box and something is not amazing, they want you to reach out and see how they can make it better for you. So let me tell you this. When I was talking to them, they said on this survey, you can put on your notes, I have a cat or a dog, and they'll throw in treats in some boxes. You can say, I love crossword puzzles. They're going to throw in crossword puzzles into your boxes. You could tell them you have kids and you want to do family-based things, and they'll put interactive kid sheets in there. They really want you to kind of tell about who you are, what you love doing, what your family loves doing, so that when they go in to curate the box, they're really putting in items in the box that match things that y'all love. That's awesome. That is how personalized each box is. So, I'm going to read more about that later. I'm about to open this box and tell you what the current theme is. We're in Louisiana and it's Mardi Gras. How perfect is that? On top here, it talks about a lot of the products that are in here. Here it talks about the history of Louisiana and Mardi Gras and how it all got started. We'll dive into that more. I want to pull the products out, see them, and then we can go into reading about them. So if you might have seen in the cover photo, there was a little spoiler in the cover photo. We got beads. And just for the record, these are not your cheesy, cheap, gross beads. These are the nice, like, real Mardi Gras beads. I was very excited about getting these. Okay, very first item I see, like literally it pops out like this, is Slap Your Mama. Slap Your Mama Cajun Seasoning, the original blend. That has to be good with a name like that. Do we want you to slap your mama? Absolutely not. Slap your mama is a funny Cajun and Southern phrase that means something is very good. Oh, I have heard that now that I'm, hello. For example, this king cake is so good, it make you want to slap your mama. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna start saying that. And it literally has on here where they're located in their website so that if you use this product and you love it, you can go get more of it. So this is a great start. We cook at home majority of the week. We only eat out maybe a couple times per week. So we're doing a lot of grilling and my husband's gonna love incorporating this. One of my all-time favorite things to eat is a good old Southern gumbo. Oh, that is like one of my favorite foods. So we'll be using this in there. What do we have here? Tiger sauce. Is this Tiger's like the school? What is the school there? Tiger sauce original for meat, seafood, and anything else that can stand up to the sweet heat. Besides the fact that we do love some LSU Tiger football, what we love about Tiger sauce is it is a sweet sauce with a light kick, not too spicy for our Celebrate States family that leans towards the sweeter side. That's what I'm talking about. I love something that is sweet at the beginning that has a kick in the end. I'm not really into sweet. I am a savory girl. So if it's sweet all the way through, I'm usually not a fan. I'll be very interested to try that because I like it to heat up just a bit, but heat with flavor. Like, there's a difference. You can just eat something to just scald. It's just so hot. It just scalds your taste buds off and you're like, wait, but that didn't taste like anything. That's not my cup of tea. All right, what else? It's another set of beads, but this time it has the whole like logo of the state, the emblem on there. Let's put this guy on. These are great. All right. That is so great. Okay. I like literally feel like I'm having a party in here now. This is super fun. Mardi Party, gnarly. This is Mardi Party, gnarly granola. Wow, that took me a few tries. The Louisiana King Cake granola, cream cheese, whiskey, and cinnamon. This Mardi Gras themed granola mix was created for the on-the-go nutritionist snack to fuel people to live their gnarliest life. Okay, we have to try that. Cream cheese, whiskey, and cinnamon. All things I like. Oh, it smells really good. I don't know if it's gluten-free, so I'm going to go easy so I don't get myself in trouble. Oh my gosh. I want a raisin. Oh my gosh. That's like dessert. That was really good. Oh man. You know when you take one bite and you're like, I don't want to stop. That's where I'm at. Shoot, I don't know if it's gluten-free and I cannot risk it, but my husband is going to love this. And he is literally about to head out on vacation for a guy's trip or whatever in a few weeks. So I will throw this in his bag and I will let him enjoy it because gosh, that's good. Okay. This is fun. New Orleans famous praline company, a Mardi Gras king cake praline. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's actually got like the sprinkles on it that looks like a king cake. The New Orleans famous praline company is located in Matari, I don't know if I'm saying that right, Louisiana, and has been hand pouring praline since 1996. Okay. Gosh, it has wheat in it. Okay. If I just do a small bite, I just want a small bite. I can't not. I absolutely can't not. Try this. See? The praline has the king cake like stuff on top. I love king cake. Another thing I haven't got to have since I went gluten-free. Okay. This is extraordinarily good. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is sinful. Oh my gosh. So hold on a second. Sugar, pecans, milk, corn syrup, vanilla. Contains milk and... Oh! Oh, I can't eat it. It is gluten-free. All right. Get on. Game on. Oh my gosh. So, the website's on here. Look. I can order more. That is brilliant. If you were having a Mardi Gras party, have these shipped in. How authentic is that? Okay, one more bite. This has to be photographed. I'm not supposed to eat it all before we can photograph it. Okay. Essentially Nola King Cake Bath Bomb with a prize inside. Essentially Nola Bath Bombs. This bath bomb is one of our favorites. We couldn't pack an entire king cake into the box, so we chose this king cake bath bomb. It even has a baby inside, just like a real king cake. Very, very cool. So I'm gonna do this with my girls on our little home Mardi Gras celebration. And we can grill, and I can have, those won't last. Let's just be real, those won't last. But we can grill, and we can do the bath bomb. This is gonna be so much fun. I don't even know if my girls truly know what Mardi Gras is. I'm trying to think if they've ever even had a reason to overlap it. This is gonna be super fun to do with them. And look, there's 3 sets of beads, so each of us girls can have one. Oh! Is this a dishcloth? It can go for a little party I'm planning in my head right now. This is gonna be so much fun. It is. It's a dishcloth. Ooh, it's soft. Okay, it's like that waffle, you know, cloth. This is so cute. It's actually just a normal size dishcloth, but it folds perfectly into thirds where you have the little Mardi Gras print, which of course I'm thinking, yeah, I guess I'll hang it on a oven or whatever, but it's like, would be a cute little tablecloth or table setting with these things for the Mardi Gras party that I now want to have. So here is our Mardi Gras box. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then a set of beads, 7. We'll count this as a grouping. 7 items in the box, all focus on our theme, Louisiana. I don't have another dedicated unboxing, but I can link up a haul up here and I can put it in the description below. I got to do the Texas box. I've actually done a couple of the states now, and all of them have done a great job. And I am encouraging you to go check that haul out with the Texas box because it was definitely geared towards my kiddos. It had interactive maps and like the crossword things for kiddos and these like little booklets for kiddos. And the girls were able to do all sorts of like, kind of like you would get, honestly, like at a menu at a kid's restaurant, except for more elaborate than that. Lots of activities about the state, which is really cool. Especially with my 2nd grader who's at that age where they're introducing her to everything Texas, which, I mean, I don't know how this works in other states, but in Texas, like, you get introduced in, like, kindergarten to Texas, and your education about Texas is very thorough through, like, high school. But like for 2nd grade, she is every state bird. She's learning these songs. She's learning these chants. Like some of the things I'm like, am I supposed to know that? Like I don't remember that. So, okay. Celebrate States, thank you so much. This is awesome. Such a great job. I cannot wait to try all these things. The kiddos are going to flip out about this. And Jonathan, are you nearby? Come try this. Don't take a big bite because we haven't photographed it yet. Oh. It's a king cake praline. Oh. I was supposed to take 1 bite.
I'm not even usually a fan of pralines.
You're not. I was wondering.
But it's not overwhelming like a normal praline.
Especially since you awesome. You just said you're not a fan of pralines. No. All right, try this also real quick. Okay. So this is a Mardi Party cream cheese whiskey and cinnamon granola.
What?
It's actually really, really, really good. Hold on. I'm really horrible at opening things like this. All right. How do you want to do it? You just do it. Just do it.
It's like a cinnamon bun. Like a cinnamon roll.
You read cream cheese, whiskey, cinnamon. You're like, okay, I like those things independently, but I don't know. It's like a cinnamon.
That's really good.
Okay. No, we can't eat it all before you photograph it.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. If I haven't said it already, Celebrate States, thank you for sending this over. This is awesome. If you guys have a box you want me to unbox, you can comment below. Sometimes I get it, but the best way to make sure I get it is to join the new Ask the Pink Envelope Facebook group. Head over there, places where you can drop in and say, I want to see this box. And then I will go get my hands on it and we'll unbox it together. I hope that you guys have an amazing Mardi Gras season, and I will see you guys later. Bye, y'all.